Let me
What you be this?
God have mercy upon us.
Jezu Chryste.
Let me be. Don't stop, don't talk, just feel, let me.
Oh, no. Jesus is Lord.
Yes, kasema yaani kwenye point. Kwa sababu unasikia point ni nini?